Cherry is a fruit. Cherry is a fruit.
A banana is a fruit. A banana is a fruit.
Bananas are yellow. Bananas are yellow.
Sunflowers have yellow petals. Sunflowers have yellow petals.
Sunflowers grow in the garden. Sunflowers grow in the garden.
Flowers grow in the meadow. Flowers grow in the meadow.
Horses graze in the meadow. Horses graze in the meadow.
This horse is speckled. This horse is speckled.
This piglet is speckled. This piglet is speckled.
The piglet is lying on the straw. The piglet is lying on the straw.
There is straw in the barn. There is straw in the barn.
In the distance, you can see a barn. In the distance, you can see a barn.
In the distance, you can see the valley. In the distance, you can see the valley.
A brook flows through the valley. A brook flows through the valley.
There is a brook in this forest. There is a brook in this forest.
There are trees in the forest. There are trees in the forest.
The trees have bark. The trees have bark.
This bark is brown. This bark is brown.
This hen is brown. This hen is brown.
The hen lays eggs. The hen lays eggs.
The eggs are in the basket. The eggs are in the basket.
There is lavender in the basket. There is lavender in the basket.
Lavender is purple. Lavender is purple.
The sky is purple today. The sky is purple today.
There are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky.
The clouds are white. The clouds are white.
This goat is white. This goat is white.
Goats eat grass. Goats eat grass.
The grass is green. The grass is green.
The leaves are green. The leaves are green.